Okay, so this is the first worksheet you're going to use for commas in a series. A series is a list of 3 or more words. When you have 3 or more words in a sentence, like in a list form, you have to separate them using commas. So I wrote some examples on the back. Let's look at the first one. Okay. For breakfast, I had cereal, juice, and toast. All right, cereal, juice, what is that? It sounds disgusting, cereal juice, and toast. So you know you need to separate these 3 words using a comma, and if you don't, it completely changes the sentence. So for breakfast, I had cereal, comma, juice, comma, and toast. You are going to put a comma before the word and. You don't put a comma after the word and. Got it? Before, not after. So with a list of 3, you would have 2 commas. You could also do this with not just single words. It could be phrases like brush your teeth, wash your face, and go to bed. Brush your teeth, that's one command, comma. Wash your face, that's another, comma. And go to bed. Perfect. And now let's take a look at another one. Spaghetti hot dogs and pizza are my favorite foods. Spaghetti hot dog sounds disgusting, so I think we need to separate that by a comma. Spaghetti, comma, hot dogs, that was already there, perfect. And pizza are my favorite foods, period. All right, so this is using 3. I want you to remember to put the comma before the word and, not after. All right, let's look at this page now together. Write your name and the date just like you normally would. The directions say carefully read each statement, then add commas where needed. Let's look at number 1. My favorite school subjects are math, history, and grammar. So look for the list in this sentence. Is it in the front of the sentence? My favorite school subjects are math, history, and grammar. This sounds like it's a list. So let's use this here to put our commas. Let's find the first part of the list. Our math, comma, history, comma, and grammar. Now let's look at number 2. I put pickles, mayonnaise, and ketchup on my hamburger. Where is your first period, or not period, where's your first comma going to go? After the word pickles, good. I put pickles, mayonnaise, another comma, and ketchup. Remember, right before the word and, not after. And don't put it after the third or the last word in the series. That just flows into the rest of the sentence. The only part you're using commas in is in the actual list, all right? Then down here for 8 through 14, you have to copy each sentence and add commas where needed. Let's look at number 10. Grandma sent me a card, some earrings, and a necklace for my birthday. When you rewrite this, don't forget your other sentence rules. Capitalize the G in grandma. It's the start of the sentence. So we're doing number 10. Grandma sent me a card, comma, because that's the first item in the list. Some earrings. Make sure you include the whole part of that. You're not going to separate the words some and earrings because this all goes together. Some earrings, comma, and a necklace for my birthday. You'll have to write small. These lines aren't the biggest. And write as neat as can be. Pretty, please. All right. I think you guys can do this. If you have any questions, just let me know.